Hello friend, welcome to my channel. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Today we will discuss poverty. Poverty and its types. What is poverty? Poverty refers to a condition in which a person or household lacks the minimum financial resources to meet basic needs such as food, shelter, clothing, healthcare, education, safe drinking water, sanitation. So, poverty is deprivation of basic opportunities that allow a person to live a decent life. Types of poverty. First is absolute poverty. It is defined as using a fixed minimum income or consumption level. For example, World Bank's international poverty line approximately states that $2.15 per day who earns is international poverty line is approximate at $2.15 per day. If income is below this line, if anyone is earning below $2.15, the person is called absolutely poor. For example, a family unable to afford 2 meals a day or basic shelter is absolute poor. Second is relative poverty. Poverty measured relative to the income of others in the society. It is compared with the other persons of the society. It is commonly used in developed countries. For example, in a rich society, someone earning far less than the average may be considered relatively poor even if basic needs are met. So, relative poverty considers basic needs are being met, but a person is relatively poor in comparison to others. Rural poverty is the third point. Mainly it is due to low productivity, lack of land dependence on agriculture, droughts, etc. Next is urban poverty, slum dwellers, informal workers, lack of proper housing, pollution, job insecurity are considered under urban poverty. Next is chronic poverty, a long-term continuous state of poverty across generations. Fifth is situational or transient poverty, temporary poverty due to illness, job loss, natural disaster, or crop failure. It always happens in India due to drought or due to flood in agriculture areas. Causes of poverty. First is economic cause, which includes unemployment and underemployment. Second is low productivity in agriculture and industries. Third is lack of capital and skills. Fourth is inflation, which reduces the purchasing power of persons. Then comes social causes, which includes illiteracy, gender inequality, caste class discrimination, poor health and malnutrition, and demographic causes are also there, which includes high population growth, large dependent population, means non-earning members of the family. Political and administrative causes includes corruption in welfare schemes, policy failures, weak governance. Geographical causes include drought, floods, cyclones, poor connectivity, and remote areas. Poverty in India. India measures poverty through multidimensional poverty index, that is known as MPI. Indicators include health, education, standard of living. Poverty has reduced in last decade, but challenges are still there. It has not totally removed. Rural areas, tribal communities, women-headed households, children are poor. Effects of poverty on individuals, it is seen in the form of malnutrition, low education, poor health, social exclusion, low self-esteem. On society, it is visible in higher crime, social tension, low economic growth, high dependency ratio, poor human capital formation. Government measures to reduce poverty. Major schemes are MG Narega for rural employment, PM Kisan support for farmers, NFSA subsidized food grains, PM Awas Yojana housing facilities, Ayushman Bharat health security, Skill India employability, PM JDY financial inclusion. These schemes aim to tackle poverty from multiple angles: income, nutrition, health, housing, and education. Poverty cycle is defined as poverty leads to low income, which leads to low savings, which leads to low investment, and low investment leads to low poverty, productivity, and it ultimately leads to more poverty. It is called the vicious circle of poverty, given by Professor Ragnar Knox, who said, "A man is poor because he is poor." Now, the suggestive measures to reduce poverty. First is quality education and skill training. B, job creation in manufacturing and services. C, strengthening health and nutrition. D, improving agriculture and rural infrastructure. E is women empowerment. F, social security for vulnerable groups. Digital inclusion and financial literacy. So it can be said poverty is not only the absence of money, but the absence of opportunities, capabilities, and dignity. Reducing poverty requires economic growth and social development and good governance. Thank you.